Hi guys, so Tina Peters here from Grand Junction, Colorado, and I was just changing out my Niken waterfall, PyMag waterfall filters, and I thought I'd shoot a quick video to let you see exactly the impact this water has on living systems. And so for about $25, there's the filter. It has a proprietary medium in it, mineral rocks. I just took those out and replaced them. You only need to do that like once a year. And for less than $100 or around $100 a year, I have energized alkaline water, and also in a little filter, a little sports bottle, same thing with two filters for around $30. So anyway, what I was going to show you is the pH of it, but I'll tell you a little bit about what is pie water, because not a lot of people know what pie water is. It's living body water. It's the closest water to the water that's actually in your body, and it's an iron-based compound that's derived from a bivalent and trivalent ferrous iron. So it provides bioenergy. It has antioxidation effects. I hope you can see that right there. It makes one of the smallest molecule cluster numbers. It breaks down chlorine and suppresses the increase of free radicals and increases immunity. So, you know, what makes ours different from the $4,000 and $5,000 expensive units? Basically, you can get one of ours for what 1 month payment for one of those units would be, around $374 retail. But it's low-cost water right from your tap. So what I did was I just filled up the top. I'll show you that in just a minute, from the tap here. And it's around 11 cents a gallon, and it's naturally 8.5 to 9.5 alkalinity to reduce acidity and prevent disease. You know, most of our ailments and diseases nowadays are, especially cancer, thrive in an acidic environment. So you want to make sure you have alkaline, make your body more alkaline. What I'll do a lot of times is I will actually use some test strips that I'm going to show you in just a minute, and will test people to see, so they can see how acidic they really are. And so this is a nice low-cost way to really offset the acidic environment that we live in. But it has a proprietary media that decreases oxidation reduction potential, so it actually turns the water into an antioxidant. It has natural minerals for improved health for bones and organs. Highly energized with far infrared energy. It's magnetized to improve cell hydration and absorption. So it's more readily absorbed and accepted into the cell. It's portable, great for an emergency. People in hurricane or disaster-prone areas love this unit because they can just pick it up and go. It's BPA-free construction. So all the parts that connect with the water are all BPA free. If you don't know what BPA means, it's bisphenol A, and that is something that is in your water bottles that you buy at the store, and it's in everything nowadays. So if you can get your water without having that in it, it's wonderful. It's a carcinogenic that you want to avoid. It's very simple operation, ultrafiltration. It gives you consistent quality, healthy, clean, safe, good-tasting water. And it has the highest NSF ratings of 42, 53, and 372, and the Gold Seal Award. So this is independent ratings by laboratories that test these sort of things. And it takes out the heavy metals and the volatile organic compounds called VOCs and things like that. It's the most advanced system on the planet, and it's patented. So you won't find anything else like it. And here's an experiment that, before I show you the unit itself, here was an experiment that Dr. Nielsen did. And he actually took 4 organic sweet potatoes. He had to use organic sweet potatoes because the ones that you buy regularly in the store are sprayed with a chemical that keeps them from sprouting. So he would change the water every week for 5 weeks, and you can see the first one was tap water, and the second reverse osmosis water, which basically leaches the minerals out of your body. The second one was well water. You can see a few roots there, but then it stopped growing. And then the PyMag water. So which potato would you rather be if you had a choice? So, like I said, it's low-cost water right from your tap, natural alkalinity. This media decreases the ORP, so it makes it into an antioxidant, natural minerals, and it's highly energized with far infrared energy. So I'll show you a little bit. Here's the box that the filter comes in. And these are the mineral stones I just took out of there. Like I said, I'd only do that once a year, and they're less than $20, I believe. It's very negligible, the cost. And here's the unit. So what I did was I went ahead and I opened this up right here and put from my tap, just put the spigot in there, or you can fill it up with a pitcher, and made PyMag water. So we're going to go ahead and just test it, see if I can hold the camera and do this at the same time. And I'm going to hold this test strip. Now, the importance for if you're not familiar with chemistry, that you want to keep your body more alkaline, like I said. So this goes from 5.5 in this case, which is very acidic, all the way up to 8.0. So the scale goes from 1 to 14, but this will give you an idea. And if this is 6.6 and this was 6.8, so if you just actually ran that out, you would see like a continuous long line. But for this purpose, we're going to go ahead and take this pH testing tape, and we're going to hold it right underneath the water there and see what happens. Oh, so as you can see, pH-wise, and this is right off the charts, higher than 8.0. So it's something good for your body. There are other videos that you can see on my website that actually Rick Murphy does an excellent job, so I'm not going to recreate that here, of showing you how other beverages are very acidic and how this can neutralize the acidity in your body. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this is something good that you can do for your health, and have a great day. Tina Peters in Grand Junction, Colorado, signing out now.